I'm the Genius Asian. Welcome to the Genius family.
Today I'm going to show you how you can remove a front bumper from a Nissan Leaf. It's one big piece. Originally, this was part of my auto body video. Check out that video if you are interested in fixing auto body puncture. In this video, even though it doesn't have as many as ingenious ideas as my body work video, it still saves you money. The body shop quoted 2 hours of labor to remove the front bumper, but you can remove the bumper yourself and then take it to the body shop for them to fix and paint. That's saving a lot. My example here is a Nissan Leaf 2015. Although this video is straightforward with no tricks, I wish someone had shared this kind of idea and video when I needed it. Had I had this information, I could have reduced the time I spent to less than an hour. The first step is to remove this black plastic. There are 6 of these plastic clips. You can just use your finger to pull them out. Once this plastic is removed, remove 4 plastic clips from the top. Pretty easy. And the other 2 on this side. There are 4 plastic clips for this charge port cover. And once you remove the 4, you can take off the plastic cover, and now you can see additional, some exposed. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 extra. Now we remove 3 extra clips. Now 2 screws. 2 screws. See, the whole top is loose now. Then under the car, use a 10mm wrench socket to remove these bolts. There are 9 of them. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove a screw inside here, and this screw is holding the 2 panels together. So you need to lift this plastic cover and go behind it. You may also use a 10mm wrench if your wrench is flexible. Then try to lift this up. You can see the tabs. So this basically is off. There's a little tab that go into those holes, and there are 2 more here on this side, and the same on the passenger side. So now the front bumper is off, and let's see the back side. So this is the crack on this side. Behind the front bumper, this is the frame. It feels like a styrofoam. In summary, at minimum, we have shown that you can save $200 on labor costs, even if you decide to let a body shop to complete the job. Originally, this was part of my auto body video. Check out that video if you are interested in fixing auto body puncture. Putting it back together is just the reverse. Just remember, here and here, they both have a clip. You have to put them together at the same time. So what I did is I put this first, and then use a screwdriver to make sure that clips inside the grooves.
Share this with people who you know that need it. Leave your own genius tips in the comment section below. Don't forget, I'm the Genius Asian. Subscribe for more useful videos.